Good morning. Hello. Welcome to another lesson learning English as a second language with me, Margaret. Nice to see you again. Today we're going to look at vowels today. And here's a reminder of the vowels that we've learnt so far. I do an action for my vowels. This is my action. It's for the itchy insect. I. Itchy insect. I. Well done, if you know that sound. Here's the action. For my apple. Ah. Well done, you're doing really well. I use my finger for the shape of the sound. Orange. Orange. Oh. It's a tricky one, this one. I use the bottom of it as an action just to help you remember. Egg. Egg. Eh. Here's my action. Up goes the umbrella. And there it is. Umbrella. Those are short vowels. Today we're going to look at two long vowels. Here's my picture. May I play? This boy's asking. May I play a? Two sounds like it's not a and y together. A. Let's use that as a word. Together. That's why I've put a line underneath. A. So really there's just two sounds because that's one sound. A. A. May. Okay? Let's rip this one off. And I'll put another sound there. D. Two sound. D. A. D. A. Day. Day. Today it is Thursday. Today. Okay, let's have another one. Put two sounds on there. Let's count how many sounds there's in this word first. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget, one sound. 3 sounds. P, a, play. Play. Play with my friends. I play soccer. Play. A. Let's look at another one. Here's our picture. looking at this boy. This boy's asking, what can you see? What can you see? Our sound today for this one is E. Can you say that? E. Good. Really stretch out that long vowel sound. It's not eh. If you see them together, it's an E. Let's write some words. Here's our vowel sound. E. Good, you know that one? Two sounds, because that's one. S, E, C. C. Well done. Here's another word. It's not D. D is this way. Okay, D for the dinosaur's bottom. Remember the dinosaur's at the top? This is the dinosaur's bottom. This is the boot. Let's put some laces on there. B, boot. Two sounds. B, E, B. B. So that's an insect. Bzzz. B. B. Okay. Let's try two sounds in front of that E. Consonant blend. We looked at that sometimes in the previous lessons, last lessons. Three sounds. T, E, T, E, Tur. Don't forget consonant blends. Tur, E, tree. Tree. Let's draw one. There it is. Tree. So today we've recapped our short vowels. I, A, O, E, and U. And we've learnt two long vowels today. E, A. Have fun putting consonants in front of those long vowel sounds to see what words you can make, and type me a message. Tell me what words you've made and I will message you back. Okay? Well done today. We've worked really hard looking at those two new vowel sounds. Next week we learn two more new long vowel sounds. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and it's been really lovely to see you today. Bye bye. See you again.